Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the cool dreamy coloring tutorial on CapCut. So here I've already import my clips, and then after you get your clips ready, just go to adjust and do this setting. So first adjust the brightness into around -25, and then the contrast add it to 5. Set the saturations into a -35 and go to highlight and set it into 50 like this, and then after that go to sharpen and set it into 100, and then go to hue and set into -25. Okay, and then go to temp and set it into -20. Okay, after that add some vignette effect to around 20 like this, and then go to filter, go to effect and then video effect and go to basic and find the soft effect. Okay, this one, and set it to around 100 like this. Click on the check icon and then add another effect. Go back, so add another effect. So this time add the edge glow effects and set it into 25. Okay, like this, and then you can just go back. So here is the cool dreamy coloring. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.